everyone, welcome to my channel. So I recently made a video on tie and dye and I really enjoyed the process and I love the results. So I decided to try reverse dyeing with bleach. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So for this DIY, I'm using this black unisex t-shirt. So the first step is to start crumpling the t-shirt and use rubber bands to secure it in place. Then use a spray-on bottle and fill the bottle halfway with bleach and the rest with water. Then shake the bottle well and start spraying. Spray it on both sides and then leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes you can see the result. Rinse it with cold water and let it dry. And this is the finished result. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye.